we are going to fix a very common problem, that Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting automatically. We are going to fix it by very simple steps, yet very effective. Please make sure you watch the whole video, because if you skip any of the steps, then it might not work. Alright, so this will be very handy for you. Because if you are meeting, you're sending emails, you are at work, and Wi-Fi gets disconnected, that's really a mess. So we are going to fix that problem. Okay, so here you need to press Window, look at the keyboard, and press the Window key and add together. Now the moment you do Window plus a key together, you will find this window icon here. Now please make sure this flight mode should be turned off. And from here, there is a Wi-Fi connection. Once you click on this arrow key, you will get connected secure, and here we need to go to this properties. And this will open up. So here we have seen this is a public and make it private first. Alright, once you have selected from public to private, we just need to close that. Alright, and here, I would recommend to click on that, and you can simply disconnect and reconnect. That is also a very helpful thing because you are going to refresh your network connection. Once this is done, do a right click in the start icon and then go to Device Manager. Now once the Device Manager is opened at the left hand side, where we have so many options, and we are looking for network adapters, so I will click on that. And here we have many options. You might be using Realtek or any other Wi-Fi adapter. That's really not a problem. We just need to select our wireless adapter, no matter irrespective of manufacturer. So I'll just do a right click, and we need to click on Update Driver. So updating the driver is a very good practice, because it will fix if there is a problem. If there is a bug, it will be fixed by the update. So it says the best driver is already installed. What you can do is you can do a right click again, and you can click on Update Driver, and then you can click on Browse My Driver, browse my computer for the drivers, and then select Let Me Pick from a list of available tribals. So from here, you can try one by one because you might have accidentally installed an older driver or a newer driver is not compared compatible. So from here, you can try one by one, see which driver is compatible and works fine with your computer. So you can do that, you can select that and click on Next. Once you have done that, restart the computer, see if your Wi-Fi is getting disconnected or it just connecting and without any issues. Once this is done, do a right click again, and this time we will go to Properties. Now here in Properties, guys, they will be a power management. So just like tabs, like General Advanced Driver, Details, Events Resources, so they will be power management. And they will be allowed computer to turn off checkmark. Uncheck that and click on OK. That would be very helpful. Because if you check mark that, then your Wi-Fi might get disconnected because you're allowing to turn off the Wi-Fi. So that can be unchecked. And the next step is to go to the power plan, and he'll be in the search icon. We will type power and we will wait, and here we see edit power plan, choose power plan. So we will click on edit power plan, and this will look like this. And here we need to go to this change advanced power settings. Now the moment you do that, there will be many options. I can see hard disk desktop background settings, PCI Express sleep power management, processor power management, and they will be Wi-Fi power management. So till we need to select that wireless network via our management, and you need to select maximum processor state so that can be done. So these last two steps are very important. And these two steps, if you have done it correctly, your Wi-Fi will not be getting disconnected automatically, and you will have a very reliable Wi-Fi internet, and you can walk without any issues. So if you're working, we are studying, we are doing any personal work. If Wi-Fi gets disconnected, this is really a very problem. Bigger problem. So I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial, and I hope this tutorial is helpful. If yes, please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.